Are you sick of doing the same old core or ab exercises over and over again? Like this, or even this? Well, in my opinion, those are outdated exercises and really shouldn't be doing them at all in the first place, especially if you're dealing with low back pain. But I'm going to show you my absolute favorite core stability exercise that I'm doing right now. Reach! And all you need for this is a weight. It's easier with a kettlebell, but you can hold on to a dumbbell too. So if I'm standing here with a weight, I'm going to step back a little bit with a kickstand. Pendulum swings, so split stance pendulum swings. And what we're doing here is trying to train outside of what we call that sagittal or forward and backwards plane that so many exercises are in. And with this one, all you do is hold the weight on the kickstand leg. So if I'm doing my right side, I'm going to go right foot back. And all I'm going to do is slowly start to pendulum the weight back and forth. The reason I like this exercise is you get a good full body workout because I'm having to stabilize with this foot and stabilize with my big toe on the backside here as my center of mass changes from support to support. So again, with any core stability exercise, you want to be as stable as possible. So I'm thinking I'm a nice tall pole cemented in the ground, and we're just going to slowly pendulum this weight back and forth. I'm fighting the weight trying to pull me forward or pull me back, really staying grounded, and you'd be surprised how much this smokes your core. From the front, let's switch sides. If I'm doing my left side, I'm gonna step back about a foot length distance. And again, I'm trying to fight this movement and this forward backwards movement. So I'm staying nice and stable while I pendulum this weight. All right, and this is 26 pounds. Actually, I'm already getting smoked. But if it's too easy, you just go up and wait. So again, split stance here, trying to fight those coronal or side-to-side forces. And I'm gonna slowly swing this weight. You can tell I'm already shaking from just trying to stay as stable as possible. All right, I gotta take a break. But if you're bored and you've never done an exercise like this before, find a kettlebell or you can hold on to a dumbbell and give this one a go. Use just enough weight where you feel like you're not shifting forward and backwards, where you can stay stable, and then be able to control the change in movement here. So if you're twisting or going forward and backwards, you need to work on your core stability, or just lower the weight and then add it as you feel more comfortable doing this exercise. All right, if you're bored of doing the same old core exercises or ab exercises, comment bored down below because we'd love to show you better ways to train your core, especially for everyday function. Like, when the heck do you ever do this all day long? Hopefully never. But here at Reach, we have a lot of clinical knowledge when training proper core stability. If this is content you'd like to see, well, give us a like so then we know to keep making this for you. Make sure to ditch your sit-ups and crunches. Those exercises aren't good for anyone or any back.